Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing the highly debated topic in car maintenance, which is transmission flushes. Is it best to get a flush or just change the fluid? Well, there's a lot of chatter and opinions out there regarding transmission fluid, and some swear by them, while others fear they're a fast track to transmission turmoil. This video is all about clearing this controversy once and for all. Also, by the end of this video, you'll not only get your doubt addressed, but you will also learn how often you should be checking your transmission fluid to keep your car running great. So stick around to the end. Now on to the main topic, transmission flushes versus fluid changes. Your car's manual might nudge you toward a flush at certain milestones. The transmission flushes involve the use of a machine by a pro technician to replace and flush out all your old transmission fluid and then put in the new transmission fluid. On the other hand, there's the DIY friendly one, which is fluid change, which just involves draining what fluid you can from the transmission pan and topping it up with new transmission fluid. No special tools or techs and skills are required. Well, you see, the anti-flush crowd has some points, since you can DIY the fluid change yourself without special skill and tool. Besides, flush machines use pressure and detergents that could dislodge debris in older transmissions, leading to potential harm. Also, if your transmission's already slipping, the gunk in the old fluid might actually be helping it grip. Flush out that grime and you could end up with a slippery situation. But here's the thing, a lot of these flush fears stem from neglected transmissions, with manufacturers pushing lifetime fluids or extending service intervals. It's not uncommon for a transmission to chug along unserviced for up to 80,000 miles, collecting all sorts of muck. At that point, a flush might do more harm than good. Flushes can be pricey too, especially here in Hawaii, where they can run anywhere from $400 to $600 at a mechanic and potentially more at a dealership. On the flip side, a simple fluid change might only remove 30% to 50% of the old fluid, leaving the rest to circulate. The upside, it's gentle on your transmission and kind to your wallet. You can snag enough fluid for most cars or vans for about $40 to $50 online, and a new filter will set you back another $20. Interestingly, many transmission shops are moving away from flushes in favor of what's essentially a detailed fluid change, yet charging the flush rate. So what's my verdict? Well, I will say that flushes have got a bad rep, largely because they're often used as a last-ditch effort to address issues that regular maintenance could have prevented. That said, they're not inherently bad if done proactively and at the recommended intervals. However, considering the cost and potential risks, I advocate for regular fluid changes instead. While manufacturers may suggest flushes every 50,000 to 100,000 miles, I recommend a fluid change every 30,000 miles. It might not remove all the old fluid, but it ensures a cleaner baseline and consistent care over time, much like frequent oil changes for your engine. There you have it. You can leave your thoughts and stance in the comments box below. Are you a team flush it or are you a team change it? Let's hear what your thoughts are in the comment box below. Catch you in the next video.